Episode of Cooking with Wrenches. We got excitement going on. We're making a peach custard cake. I'm going to try to beat the book time on it. Got the tools arranged already. We're going to dig right into it. First off, need to have, the recipe says, 3 spray caps of flour. So we'll get them loaded in this fine mixer here. Tell the wife I'm using it. 3 caps of flour. And then it says 1 5/8 of salt. Let's see, I'm doing this backwards. Five-eighths of flour and 1 stick of butter. I like to use the real butter. Put that mixer. Let's see what we can make happen. While that's going, need a 29 ounce, they say here, can of sliced peaches and heavy syrup. Drained. So we're draining it into this glass thing. See if we can get this going here. I'm going to use a 9x9 pork spin. Now to get this all integrated in here. When that's right, you should be able to press it together and it stays. We're not quite there yet. We've got to put the revs to it here. When the flour stays in there when the revs are up, she's getting good. Take that mixture, dump her in this pan. Save that for a little later. Spread it out. Just kind of press it into a crust. Kind of up the sides. I always start with up the sides. And whatever's left, you press in the bottom. Yeah, I need a little over here. Kind of like filler, you know, bond mill. Except there's not going to be any sanding later. You do want everything covered. Now, turn your powder coating oven, turn that up to 375 degrees. Now it's time for these peaches. Who makes a better can opener, Mac or Snap-on? You might want your safety glasses on for this. I use the safety squint. Does not want to. typical, ain't it? Brand new stuff doesn't want to work right. Anyhow, we'll dump them peach halves in there. Slices. Yeah, whatever they want. Just kind of spread them nice and even along the bottoms. If you got to sample one of these, we won't tell the customer. That's pretty good right there. Then we're supposed to take what do we got here? Oh, let's have the cocoa mug for them hot days. Right. Okay, we need, again, we're doing 1 spray cap of sugar. This time we need 5/8 of ground cinnamon, it says. That's pretty good. Yeah. Got to mix that together. Incorporate, they say on them TV shows. Incorporated. I thought that was a business. We'll just sprinkle that on over this. Kind of everywhere, every corner, and away we go. Okay, now we'll put this in that 375 powder coating oven for 20 minutes, and I'll bring you back. Okay, we're back at it. We've got to make the custard part. We use this old can here, and I need 2 spray caps of evaporated milk. You got to shake the goodness up in it. Yep, 2 caps of that. 1 spray cap, 2 spray caps, then that juice you drained out of the peaches, says we need 1 cap of that. That looks like about 10 weight stuff. And gotta have the chicken egg. Of course it's going to behave well. And mix them all together. Again with that incorporation thing. That's probably good. Now we got our peaches all toasted there a little bit. And then we just pour this on there. Now, I like to throw a little bit of nutmeg on there. I don't measure that. A little something on top there. Back into the oven for half an hour. Then we'll see what we got. There she is. Looks pretty tasty to me. You'll have to let that cool. Serve it cold. You know, kind of like a good beer. Thank you guys. Till next time.